To check your transaction history on Netflix, follow these simple steps. This will help you keep track of your payments and subscriptions. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website and log in using your email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Membership and Billing. In the Account section, look for the Membership and Billing section. This area contains information about your subscription plan and payment details. Step 4. View Transaction History. Under the Membership and Billing section, locate the Billing Details or Payment History option. Click on it to view your transaction history, which will show all past payments made to Netflix. Step 5. Download or print history optional. If you need a record of your transaction history, you can choose to download or print the page for your records. Look for Download or Print option on the transaction history page. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Netflix. This can help you manage your subscription and keep track of your payments effectively.